So over here you can see that I got some categories right here, and if I were to go around onto, let's say for example, calendar, then you can see that categories has been applied over here onto these events as well. But let's say what you want to do is you want to clear out the categories altogether. In that case, you can right click on any one of the events right here and then go to categories right here. And here you can see that manage category is an option. So now what you can simply do is you can go around and clear out the categories right here. You can press the dustbin icon right here and delete out the category, as you can see right here. And as you go around and click on all of these right here, what happens is that the categories will be cleared. So let me just go around and delete this out right here, just like this, close it, and now I don't have any category right here. So you can see that the categories has been cleared right here, just like this. So once you go around and delete it, even go around onto the mail section, then you have no categories around over here. And that is how you can go around and clear out categories inside of Microsoft Outlook. The events and mail will still be there, the category just will be cleared. So that is how you can clear out categories inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.